morning everybody. Today we will discuss about practice exercise topic HCF and LCM. Question number 1. Find the HCF of 160, 165 and 305. So HCF means highest common factor of all these. So which highest number divides all. So observe the options. Here 160, 165 and 305. So first option 4. But 4 not divides 165 and 305. So it is not our answer. Next, highest number 6. 6 also not divides 160 and 305. Next 5. So 160 last digit 0, that should be divisible by 5, and last digit 5. So that also divided by 5. So our answer is 5. Question number 2. Find the HCF of 3 kg and 400 grams. So 3 kg means that is 3000 grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 3 kg means 3000 grams. So which greatest number divides 3000 and 400? That is our answer. But yesterday I told one point. HCF should be equal to this number or less than this number. So these two options wrong. Both are greater than 400 grams. So these two are wrong. So in these two. So 400 divides 400, but 400 3000 by 400. So 0, 0, 2, 2, 2, 15. So 15 is not divisible by 2. So it is not our answer. So then answer is 200 grams. Question number 3. Find the LCM of 28, 35, 56 and 84. So for LCM should be equal to greatest number or greater than that number. So that means LCM should be 84 or multiple of 84. So multiple of 84. 84 means and 12 into 7. 12 into 7 means 3 into 4 into 7. So multiple of 84. So here greatest number is 980. So which is divisible by 80? Which number is divisible by 84? That should be divisible by 3 also. But here greatest number 980. 980, 9 plus 8, 17. Sum of the digits equal to 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So and not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 84 also. So it is not our answer. Next 950. 950 also we will check it. 9 plus 5, 40. 40 is not divisible by 3. So it is also not multiple of 84. So next 850. 850 also not divisible by 3. So answer is 840. Question number 4. LCM of 24, 36 and 42. So LCM should be equal to greater or multiple of greatest number. So here 42 is the greatest number. So LCM should be divisible by 42. So 42 means it is 3 into 40 or 3 into 2 into 7. So when a number divisible by 42, it should be divisible by 3, 2 and 7 also. In case the number not divisible by either 3 or 2 or 7, it is not divisible by 42 also. So in these numbers, greatest number, least common multiple. So here least number is 144. 144 is divisible by 3. Is divisible by 2, last digit 4. So it is also divisible by 2. But it is not divisible by 7. So this is not our is 196. Sum of the digits 1 plus 9, 10 plus 6, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 42. Next 256. So here sum of the digits 2 plus 5, 7 plus 6, so 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So this is also not divisible by 42. So answer is 504. 42 ones, 42 twos. So LCM of 24, 36 and 42 equal to 504. Question number 5. HCF of the reciprocals of fractions 3 by 4, 9 by 10, 15 by 16 is. So reciprocal of the fractions is 4 by 3, 10 by 9, 16 by 15. So HCF of these, that means HCF of numerators by LCM of denominator. That is HCF of 4, 10, 16 and LCM of 3, 9, 15. Okay? Here, by which number 4, 10 and 16 all are divisible? Here observe, by 3 is not divides all these. So 1, okay, 2. So all these numbers are divisible by 2. So answer is 2 by 45. So LCM also we will check it. 3 is the factor of 9 and 15. So 9 and 15 both are factors of 45. So LCM is 45. So answer is 2 by 45. Question number 6. Find the greatest number that will divide 1375 and 4935 exactly. Here we have to find out the HCF of these two. So here HCF means greatest factor. In these options greatest number is 8. So last digit here 5. 5 means it is not divisible by 8. So it is not our answer. Next 6. 6 is even number, here last digit should be odd number, so it is also not divisible by 6. Next last digit 5 means it is divisible by 5. So our answer is option B. Question number 7. Find the least number which is divided by 12, 15, 20 and 25 exactly. That means LCM of 12, 15, 20 and 25. So LCM is the greatest multiple of greatest number. That is, it should be divisible by 25. So LCM is least number. First we will check it here. 200. 200 is divisible by 25. But 200 is not divisible by 12. 12 means 3 into 4. So it is not our answer. Next 300. 300 is divisible by 25. 300 is divisible by 12 also. 12 2s are 24, 12 5s. 300 divisible by 15. 15 20s, 20 15s. So answer is 300. 5 bells beginning together tall at interval of 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, 8 seconds and 10 seconds respectively. After what interval of time will they tall again together? Here 5 bells. Tall means ringing. First bell every 4 seconds it will ring. Second bell every 5 seconds. And third bell will ring every 7 seconds after, and fourth bell every 8 seconds after, and fifth bell every 10 seconds after. But this is a continuous process. But in this process, they all together toll at a time. After what interval of time? That means we have to find out the LCM of these. In this question, we have to find out the LCM of this. That means every 4 after, next 8 seconds, next
next 12 seconds, like that. This also will first 5 seconds, next 10 seconds, after 15 seconds, like that. Somewhere it will coincide. That means told together at a time. That means that is it should be divisible by all this. That means that is LCM. We have to find out the LCM of this. But in this answer, 2 minutes 40 seconds, minutes and seconds are given. So first we have converted into seconds only. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Here 2 into 60, 120, 140. That is 160 seconds. 460 is 240 plus 40, 280 seconds. Next, 360 is 180 plus 15, 195 seconds. And 5 into 60, 300 seconds. So first, we have to check the least number. So that is option 1, 160. So 160 is divisible by 4. So divisibility rule for 4, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So 5, last digit 0 means that should be divisible by 5. But 7, 7 2s are 14, 20, 20 is not divisible by 7. So this is not our answer. Next least number is 195. 95 is odd number. Here 4 is even number. So 195 is not divisible by 4. So this is also not our answer. Next we will check 280 seconds. That is divisible by 4. Last digit 0, so it is divisible by 5. 28, 7 4s, 28, 0 and 7 40 is okay. Next 8. 8 3s are 24, 40, 8 5s are 40. So it is divisible by 8 also. Last digit 0 means it is divisible by 10 also. So our answer is option B.
Find the greatest possible length of a scale to measure exactly 6 meter 25 centimeter, 9 meter 50 centimeter and 12 meter 25 centimeter is. So here 3 different measurement classes are there. We have to measure with a scale, but all measurements exactly divides that scale. So that means HCF of all this. So we have to take greatest length of scale. That means greatest divisor. That means HCF of this. So here meters and centimeters, or we have converted into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So first 6 meters 25 centimeter means here 625 centimeters. 9 meters 50 centimeter means 950 centimeter. Here 1225 centimeter. So all which greatest number divides all these. So take options. Greatest option is 75 here. 75 means 25 into 3. So all these numbers should be divisible by 25 and 3. So here 625, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 5, 30. 30 is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 75. So it is not our answer. Next 65. 65 means 13 into 5. So here 13 fours are 52. 105 not divisible by 13. So this is also not our answer. Next 50. 50 means last digit should be 0. Here not 0, 625. So 50 means 5 into 10. So this is not divisible by 10. So 50 also not our answer. So answer is 25 centimeters. So here 50, 25 and 25. Last divisibility rule for 25. Last 2 digits should be either zeros or 25 or 50 or 75. So answer is 25 centimeters. Question number 10. The HCF of two numbers is 38 and LCM is 98,154. If one of the number is 1558, find the other number. For
this question, what is basic? Product of two numbers A into B equal to HCF into LCM. Here HCF 38, LCM is 98,154 and one number A is 1558. We have to find out the value of B. B equal to 38 into 98154 by 1558. So 38, it is in the table of 19 twos. Or directly we will cancellation with 38 or 19 in the table. 19 twos are 38. Here 19 eights are 152. So 38, 19 twos, 241s. So 41 is prime number, so directly we will divide. So 9 is divisible by 4 two times, so we will check it. 41 twos, 84, 82. 8 minus 2, 6, 9 minus 161. 161 means 4 times means 164. So 3 times. 3 ones 3, 3 fours are 12. 11 minus 3, 8, 5 minus 2, 3, 38. Bring down 5, that is 385. So 9s. 41, 9s, 9 ones 9, 9 fours are 36. 15 minus 9, 6, 7 minus 6, 164, 41 fours. So answer is 2394. Doing this calculation, try to get answer. Here 8 fours are 32 unit digit. I will check for only unit digit process. 8 fours are 32. 32 by 8. So unit digit should be 4. Then answer will be either A or D. But here A or D exactly. Which is correct answer? We can't assume. So in this case, we will try to do the process. Number 11. Find the smallest 4-digit number such that when it is divided by 12, 18, 21 and 28, it leaves remainder 3 in each case. So smallest 4-digit number is 1 after 3 zeros, that is 1000. So it should be greater than 1000. So it is not our answer. And in this question, remainder 3, that means the number when divided by 12, 18, 21 and 28, remainder 3. It means when subtract 3, it should be divisible by 12, 18, 21 and 28. So actually required number equal to LCM of 12, 18, 21 and 28 plus 3. It is our answer. But for checking, when subtract 3, that should be divisible by these numbers. So 1101 minus 3. 1101 minus 3 means 1098. 1098. It is not divisible by 4. So 12 means 3 into 4. Here 1 plus 9 plus 8, it is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4. So it is not divisible by 12 also. So it is not our answer. Next, here when subtract 3, it becomes 1008. 1008, 1 plus 8, 9. So it is divisible by 3. Last digit, 2 digits is 8, also divisible by 4. So this number divisible by 12. And this is 9 into 2. So sum of the digits 9, so 9, it will be divisible by 9. And last digit even number, so it is divisible by 2 also. So this is divisible by 18. 21, 7 into 3. So we will check it. 7, 7 1 7, 37 4 are 28, 2 8, that means 7 4 are 28, so it is divisible by 21 also. Next 28, 4 into 7, already it is divisible by 4 and 7, so it also divisible by 28, so our answer is 1011. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 13 and 1989 respectively. If one of the number is 117, then find out the other number. That means here product of two numbers equal to HCF into LCM. One number is 117, other number B we don't know. HCF is 13 and LCM is 1989. In this question we have to find out the value of P. In this we will check first 3 9 27. Here 7. 7 by 7. 7 by 7. Unit digit only I will check. So that means unit digit should be 1. So these two answers wrong. So either A or C. Here both numbers are divisible by HCF. So here HCF is 13. So in these two numbers, which is divisible by 13, that is our answer. So here 13 was the 30. 13 means 91. 91, 13 times are 91. So our answer is 221. 13. Find the smallest number which when divided by 25, 40, 60 leaves remainder 7 in each case. So least number means LCM. LCM should be divisible by all these numbers, but here remainder 7 means it is more than LCM by 7. So for getting LCM, we subtract 7 in this. So here in options, when we subtract 7, it is divisible by exactly divisible by 25, 40 and 60. So here when subtract 7, least number, so least number is 508. When subtracted, it will get 501. 1 means here 60, 40 means last digit 0, and that means it should be divisible by either 5 or 10. So it is not our answer. Next, 600. 600 minus 7 means 193. 93 is odd number. Here 40, 60 even number. So it is also not divisible by this. So next, option B 600. 600 is divisible by 25. Last two digits means zeros means it should be divisible by 25. 40. 0. 4 15s 60. So it is 60 10 600. So answer is 607. So LCM of these numbers is 600 and add the remainder this. So 600 plus 7, 607 is our answer. The greatest number which divides 204 and 714 exactly is 34. That means HCF of 204, 714 is 34. Find the smallest number which is divisible by 204 and 714. That means smallest number which is divisible by these two. That means LCM of these two numbers. That means in this question, two numbers are given and HCF also given. We have to find out the LCM. That means A into B equal to HCF into LCM. So 204 into 714. HCF is 34 into L. So here 4 4 is 16. 16 by 4 means unit digit should be 4. So option either B or C. Either B or C in these two. So LCM should be divisible by 34. That means HCF. So in this case, which is divisible by 34? 34 means 34 is the multiple of 17. 17 into 2. Here both are divisible by 2. So we have to check 17th table. 17 2s are 34. 34, 42 minus 34 means 8. 88. 17 5s are So answer is 4284. So in case we will check this also. 17 2s are 34, 60. 17 3s are 51. 94 is not divisible by 17. So it is not our answer. So answer is option 2. Question number 15. Find the least possible 5-digit number which when divided by 10, 12, 16 and 18 leaves remainder 27. That means least 5-digit number means 1 after 4 zeros, that is 10,000. So our answer should be greater than 10,000. So all are there. And remainder 27 means LCM plus 27. Answer is LCM plus 27. Then 27 subtracted from this, we will get the LCM of these numbers. So when 27 subtract these two options, we will get odd numbers. So odd numbers not divisible by 12, 16 and 18. So these two options not our answers. And these two only our answers. So then we will subtract 27. 0, 10 minus 2, 8, 0, 0, 1, 10,080 and subtracted here 27, 0, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10,980. In these two, which are divisible by these. So by 10, both are divisible by 10. 12 means it should be divisible by 3 and 4. So 1 plus 8, 9, it is divisible by 3, 80 divisible by 4 and 1 plus 9, 10 plus 8, 18 also divisible by 3 and 4 also. Next 16. 16 means 8 into 2. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 16. So 8 is divisible by 16, but here 980 is not divisible by 8. So it is not our answer, it is the correct answer. Okay. SCF and LCM chapter over. Do more practice. Next we will discuss about simplification. Thank you.